Dad, I have something to tell you. I want to be a TV actor.
A TV actor? Are you kidding me?
Dear friends, welcome to Improve English Pro, where we teach you how to speak English fluently and confidently. In today's video, we are going to learn some useful phrases and expressions used in family conversations. Family conversation can be tricky. You have to use different words and grammar depending on who you are talking to. For example, you might use formal language with your grandparents, but informal language with your siblings. You also have to know how to express your feelings, opinions, and wishes in a polite and respectful way. Whether you want to talk about your parents, siblings, children, or relatives, this video will help you improve your vocabulary and grammar for everyday situations. Listen carefully and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Scene 1. Father and son conversation.
Dad, I have something to tell you.
What is it, son?
I've decided what I want to do with my life.
Oh, really? What is it?
I want to be a TV actor.
A TV actor? Are you kidding me?
No, Dad. I'm serious. I've always loved acting. I've been taking classes, and auditioning, and getting some roles. I think I have a talent for it.
Son, I'm sorry, but that's a terrible idea. Acting is not a real career. It's a hobby, at best. It's a very competitive and unstable industry. You'll never make a decent living out of it. You'll always be struggling, and insecure, and unhappy.
That's not true, Dad. There are many successful and happy actors out there. And I'm willing to work hard, and take risks, and pursue my passion. I don't care about money, or fame, or security. I care about doing what I love, and expressing myself, and entertaining.
Son, you're being naive. You don't know what you're getting yourself into. You're throwing away your future, your education, your potential. You have so much more to offer than acting. You're smart, and creative, and capable. You could do anything you want. Why waste your time and energy on something so frivolous and unrealistic?
Dad, you don't understand. Acting is not a waste of time. It's not frivolous. It's not unrealistic. It's my dream. It's my calling. It's my life. And I'm not going to give up on it, no matter what you say.
Son, I'm saying this because I love you. I want you to be happy, and successful, and fulfilled. I want you to have a good life, a better life than I had. I don't want you to suffer, or regret, or fail.
Dad, I appreciate your concern. I know you love me. And I love you too. But you have to trust me. You have to let me make my own choices, and follow my own path. You have to respect my decision, and support my ambition. You have to believe in me, Dad.
Son, I do believe in you. I always have. I always will. You're my son, and I'm proud of you. But I'm also worried about you. I'm afraid you're making a mistake. I'm afraid you're going to get hurt.
Dad, I understand your fear. But you can't let fear hold me back. You can't let fear stop me from chasing my dream. You have to let me try, Dad. You have to let me live, Dad.
Son, I love you. And I want you to be happy. And I want you to live. But I also want you to be careful. And I want you to be realistic.
Dad, I love you too. And I promise you, I'll be careful. And I'll be realistic.
And I want you to have a backup plan, just in case.
I have a backup plan. But I also promise you, I'll give it my best shot. And I'll never give up. And I'll make you proud, Dad.
Son, you already make me proud. You always have. You always will. You're my son, and I love you more than anything in the world. I'm glad we had this talk, son. I feel closer to you now.
Me too, Dad. Me too.
Scene 2. Mom consoling her daughter.
Hi, honey. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a bit down, Mom. I had a fight with my best friend.
Oh no. What happened?
She said some mean things about me behind my back, and I found out from another friend.
That's not nice. How did you react?
I confronted her and told her how I felt. But she denied everything and called me a liar.
That's awful. I'm so sorry, dear.
It's okay, Mom. I don't need her anymore. She was a toxic friend anyway.
Well, I'm glad you stood up for yourself. But don't be too harsh on her. Maybe she was going through something and didn't know how to express herself.
Maybe, but I don't think I can forgive her so easily. She hurt me a lot.
I understand, honey. But you know, holding a grudge is not good for you. It only makes you more angry and sad. You should try to let go of the past and move on with your life.
How can I do that, Mom? She was my best friend for years. We shared everything.
I know, sweetie. But sometimes, people change and grow apart. It's part of life. You can't force a friendship that is not working anymore. You have to accept the reality and respect her decision.
But I don't want to lose her, Mom. I still care about her.
And maybe she still cares about you too. But you have to give her some space and time. Maybe she will realize her mistake and apologize to you. Or maybe she will move on too. Either way, you have to be ready for whatever happens.
You're right, Mom. You're so wise and compassionate.
Thank you, dear. You're very brave and strong. I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Mom. You're the best. I love you.
I love you too, honey.
Okay, friends. It's time for some fun English practice. You will be asked a question or a statement about a common conversation in a family setting. You should first try to come up with a response that is suitable for that question or statement. We will then show you an appropriate response from our end. Remember, the motive is not to get the perfect answer, but to get you in the practice of speaking out a response for common questions in a daily life setting. Let's go.
What do you want to do today?
I want to go to the library and borrow some books. Do you want to come with me?
How about we go to the park?
That sounds fun. I'd love to go to the park and enjoy the fresh air. What time do you want to meet?
Do you want to play a game or something?
Sure, I'm in the mood for a game. How about we play some cards or chess? I have a deck and a board here.
Let's have a picnic today.
Great idea. I think a picnic would be nice. We can pack some sandwiches, fruits, and drinks.
That sounds good.
I'm glad you think so. I'm looking forward to it.
Can you help me with this homework?
Of course, I can help you. What do you need me to do?
Do you need any help with that bag?
Yes, please. It's very heavy. Can you carry it for me?
I can help you with that if you want.
Thank you, that's very kind of you.
Are you okay? You look tired.
I'm okay, thanks. I'm just a bit tired from work. I had a long day.
What's wrong? Is everything all right?
Well, not really. I had a fight with my friend.
I'm sorry to hear that. That must be hard.
It is. I feel hurt and betrayed. I don't know how to fix things.
I'm here for you. You can talk to me anytime.
Thank you. That means a lot to me. You're a good friend.